In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and switch themes between decks in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply a new look to your slides, quickly try alternatives, and tidy up any layouts that need attention. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you want to update. This is the file that will receive the new theme. It can already have content, text, images, charts, because you're just changing the overall design framework, not the content itself. Next, go to the Design tab at the top. In the Themes area, look for the small down arrow, often labeled More, to expand the full gallery. From there, choose Browse for Themes. This option lets you bring in a theme from a file rather than relying only on the built-in gallery. A file picker will open. Navigate to the TTFMX file you want to use. A TTFMX file is a PowerPoint theme package that contains coordinated colors, fonts, effects, and slide layouts. Select the file, then click Apply. PowerPoint attaches the theme to your current deck, updating backgrounds, color palettes, fonts, and layout styling across your slides. Don't worry if your slides look different. That's expected because you've changed the presentation's design language. If you want to fine-tune the look without switching to a completely different theme, use the Variants section in the Design tab. Variants let you tweak colors, fonts, and effects that are built into the theme so you can keep the overall style while adjusting the vibe to match branding or tone. If you want to try a different saved theme instead, return to the Design tab, click the More arrow again, and choose Themes to quickly apply another design you've used or saved previously. This is a great way to compare options without redoing your content. After applying a theme, review your slides for layout mismatches. Sometimes placeholders shift or don't align perfectly with the new design. To fix that, go to the Home tab, click Layout, and select the correct layout from the new theme that fits your content. Reapplying the right layout ensures titles, body text, images, and captions snap into the proper positions. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your theme relies on specific fonts, make sure those fonts are available on your computer, or PowerPoint will substitute them. Also, check charts and diagrams for color contrast to maintain accessibility and readability. That's it. Your deck now has a polished, consistent look with the flexibility to switch styles whenever you need.